children, students, learners. It is me, Suresh Bhardwaj, with active passive voice. Active passive voice to change. Sentence in an active voice to be changed into passive voice. And verb having dual object, double object, how to change? Let us learn. Active passive voice of verbs having dual objects, double objects. Okay, direct object and indirect object. अभी आपने एक ऑब्जेक्ट वाला पैसिव किया होगा, वर्ब एक ऑब्जेक्ट था तो उसका पैसिव आपने सीखा कैसे पैसिव करेंगे, चेंज करेंगे। यहाँ पर अब कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए जा रहे हैं और इनके दो ऑब्जेक्ट है, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट। इधर उदाहरण, मदर टेल्स मी एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी डेली। माता जी मुझसे एक रुचिकर कहानी कहती हैं, प्रतिदिन कहानी कहती हैं, रोज कहती हैं। मदर टेल्स मी एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। टेल्स वर्ब, मी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ टेल्स, एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ टेल्स। दो ऑब्जेक्ट हो गए, मी एंड स्टोरी। The story, that is direct object. This is direct object and me indirect object. प्राय जनरली जो ऑब्जेक्ट डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है वह कोई वस्तु होती है और जो आपका इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है वह एनिमेट बीइंग, एनिमेट लिविंग थिंग होती है। यह लिविंग होता है, एनिमेट होता है। मदर टेल्स मी एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी डेली। मदर सब्जेक्ट, टेल्स वर्ब, मी ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट। इसका मतलब हम दो बना सकते हैं। दो ऑब्जेक्ट है तो दो वॉइस होगा, दो तरह से होगा। इसको उठाइए पहले, मी को आई। मदर टेल्स मी एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी। दिस इज नाउ प्रेजेंट, verb is in present form, present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense का generalization is an all verb thought form लगता है। तो me, I am told an interesting story daily by mother. Interesting story. I am told an interesting story daily by mother. I, इसको हमने लिया। Okay, I am told an interesting story daily by mother, right? दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट आपका ये है, स्टोरी। An interesting story is told, is an present infinite है, is a verb third form। An interesting story is told to me, to लगा देंगे। जो एनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट है से पहले टू लगाएंगे, या फॉर, to or for, that is used just before animate object. Indirect object, to me. An interesting story is told to me daily by mother. By mother remains the same. यहाँ पर जो सब्जेक्ट रहा इधर वह जस का तस पड़ा रहा है, by mother. Second example, she had not given you a message. यहाँ हमने negative sentence भी दिया, negative structure. Negative structure here has been given to you for an example to make you learn, to make you understand. She had not given you a message. You object and message, that is object. Okay. लीजिए साहब, you say you had not given means past perfect tense. You had not given, you had not been given, आपको नहीं दिया जा चुका था, a message by her. Message, you को हमने लिया है पहले, okay? Then a message, ये भी ऑब्जेक्ट है। A message had not been given to you by her remains the same. Okay? एक ऑब्जेक्ट यू है, दूसरा मैसेज है, दोनों से बना दिया। थर्ड, यहाँ पर हमने क्वेश्चन ले लिया है और क्वेश्चन को भी बना के देखा जा रहा है। Now, will she offer me a ring? Will she offer me a ring? क्या वह मुझे एक रिंग ऑफर करेगी, देगी? क्या वह मुझे रिंग देगी? Will she offer me a message, a ring? Me object and ring object. Me से लीजिए shall I, I के साथ me means I, तो shall लगेगा. Shall I be offered? Shall I be offered a ring? Will be shall be लगता था ना future indefinite tense में. Shall I be offered a ring by her? By her. The second next object, ring. A ring. Will a ring will a ring be offered to me by her? Okay. In this way, dear children, dear students, you see, now verb having double object may be changed into two passive verbs. You may frame, you may structure. Some other sentences, okay, have been given here on only one sentence. Model sentence that is, teacher gives you homework. This is now model sentence. And you see here, you object, homework object, right? So first, you from this object. Let us use. Teacher gives you homework. Teacher subject gives verb. You object. Homework object. You. Let us learn how to change into passive voice using you. You are given. Present indefinite tense gives. That is present indefinite tense. You are given homework by the teacher. Okay. अब homework लीजिए. Homework is given to you by the teacher. Question to get yes no response. Is homework given to you by the teacher? Is homework, क्या homework आपको दिया जाता है by the teacher, टीचर के द्वारा? By the teacher. What is given to you? क्या आपको क्या दिया जाता है? By the teacher. Why is homework given to you? आपको homework क्यों दिया जाता है? By the teacher. How is homework given to you? कैसे आपको homework दिया जाता है? By the teacher. In this way, here you see so many other sentences from one model sentence. You are given homework by the teacher. This is now a model sentence. Okay. The teacher gives you homework, model sentence, change into passive voice. Okay, you are given homework by the teacher. On this sentence, from this sentence, so many other sentences have been structured. Likely, now next example, that is, you see here, to you. Okay, homework. Object. You and homework. Let us now learn you using you. Now this object. यहाँ पर क्या देखे आप? होमवर्क जो ऑब्जेक्ट था, थोड़ा हम उधर भूल कर गए. होमवर्क ऑब्जेक्ट को हमने उठाया था, इसको नहीं उठाया था. इधर होमवर्क को लिया है. होमवर्क और होमवर्क, यहाँ होमवर्क. तो होमवर्क ऑब्जेक्ट से हमने एक क्वेश्चन फ्रेम किया. अब हम यू ऑब्जेक्ट को लेते हैं और इससे क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करते हैं. Okay, interrogative sentences now have been framed here using you object. Are you given homework by the teacher? Are you by the teacher? What are you given by the teacher? What? क्या आपको क्या दिया जाता है टीचर के द्वारा? Why are you given homework by the teacher? टीचर के द्वारा आपको होमवर्क क्यों दिया जाता है? देखिए जरा. When are you given homework? आपको होमवर्क कब दिया जाता है? by the teacher. Where are you given homework by the teacher? Teacher के द्वारा आपको कहाँ homework दिया जाता है? Likely so many other sentences may be structured, may be changed into passive voice. Okay, on this system, on this pattern, using direct object and indirect object. Okay, in this way, dear children, dear students, now try to structure so many other sentences, change sentences in active voice, change into passive voice. Now, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.